noun, but with another kinds. Before this, I have already made one video where we have discussed proper noun and common noun. Here we will discuss other kind of nouns one by one, collective noun and material nouns. Let's start collective noun. Okay, what is collective noun? What comes in our mind? Collective noun refers to the collection of thing, collection of animals or people. The condition is that that collection is given a name by which we know about particular collection. Okay, suppose that, let me take one example. Suppose that if I write MS Dhoni, okay, MS Dhoni, what kind of noun it is? This is, here we are talking about particular player, person. So MS Dhoni is proper noun, because we have already seen that proper nouns are names of particular thing or person or place or thing. So this is proper noun. But MS Dhoni is a player. So player is common noun. Okay, MS Dhoni is player. So we can write here that player is common noun. Okay. Then we are talking about one player, that is okay. But if we add 10 players more, okay, MS Dhoni is here one, but here if we will add 10 players more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and plus MS Dhoni, it becomes team. Okay, team of players. So this is given a name, that is team. So team is collective noun. In the same way, when we say soldier is common noun because so many soldiers are there. But when we talk about a group of soldiers, that becomes army. Okay, for soldiers we write army. In the same way, students, when we talk about one student, that is common noun. But when we talk about students sitting in one room and they share the same syllabus, same study material, same lectures, same studies, same periods, that becomes a class. So class of students, class is also a word that is given to that group sitting in one room and sharing the same study material. So class is also a collective noun. Now one more word, let's see, crowd. Crowd is that word which shows group of people. Okay, crowd. One more word is used to show group of people, that is mob. Where children often get confused in these two words, when to use mob and when to use crowd. Crowd is used to show that group which comes together, we can say temporarily, okay, कुछ टाइम के लिए. Like अगर मैं कहूँ, अगर आप स्टेशन पर जाते हो, उस वक्त आप देखते हो कि जब ट्रेन आने वाली होती है उस वक्त अचानक से भीड़ इकट्ठी हो जाती है, और जब ट्रेन जाने वाली होती है उस वक्त भी बहुत ज्यादा भीड़ इकट्ठी हो जाती है. दैट टाइम वी यूज crowd word, and sometimes with purpose and sometimes without purpose they used to gather. और अगर हम देखते हैं कि रोड पर अचानक से एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है तो उस वक्त भी भीड़ अचानक से इकट्ठी होती है और फिर थोड़ी देर बाद हल्की हो जाती है. तो दैट टाइम वी हैव टू यूज क्राउड वर्ड. एंड मॉब, व्हेन टू यूज मॉब, व्हेन क्राउड बिकम्स वायलेंट. जब क्राउड क्या हो जाती है, क्राउड आक्रामक हो जाती है, उस वक्त हमें यूज करना है मॉब वर्ड. So I think we have understood the difference between these two words. Now see, this is a list of few collective nouns. Let's see one by one. A galaxy of stars. For collection of stars we use galaxy. Galaxy is known as collection of stars. collection of stars is called galaxy. A swarm of insects. Insects के लिए we use swarm word as collective noun. A school of whales, dolphins और fish. इनके ग्रुप को शो करने के लिए we use school or school. Okay, a school of. A pile of newspapers or rubbish. For newspaper, a bundle of newspapers, we can write this word pile. A pile of newspapers. And rubbish के लिए भी हम pile word use करते हैं. In the same way, when we talk about a number of trees in particular area, जब किसी एरिया में a number of tree की बात हम करते हैं तो वहां पर हम यूज करते हैं forest. Okay, as a collective noun. Forest of trees. And cluster of trees is also used. But in cluster of trees, there we don't talk about that much big tree. This is normally used for plants. Okay. A heap of sand, a panel of doctors, a bunch of flowers, or a bouquet of flowers. Okay. Flowers के लिए हम what is the difference between bunch and bouquet? Bunch is a simple gathering of fresh flowers. Okay. But bouquet is a careful gathering of flowers that is tied together with ribbon and wrapped properly. So at that time we use bouquet. A bevy of girls or ladies. Girls और ladies के group के लिए हम use करते हैं bevy. This is new word. A colony of ants. और ants के group को दिखाने के लिए हम use करते हैं colony. So these are only few nouns, collective nouns. There is a long list of collective nouns that you have to learn. And children, one thing you have to keep in mind that collective nouns you cannot frame your own. Means that you have to learn and which collective nouns are used for what kind of things. Collection of that. So that you cannot write any word. Okay, collective nouns you have to learn. And collective nouns, one thing more important, that collective nouns normally take singular form of the verb, but not all time. It depends on the sentence. In what sense the collective noun is used. If I say, suppose that the orchestra is playing a hit song. What is orchestra word? This is a group of musicians. Okay, so we have used orchestra here, and it is a combined effort to play the song. So that time we have used is, orchestra is. But suppose that if I say the orchestra were asked to give their musical background. So here I have used orchestra were. Why? Because orchestra were asked to give their musical background. Musical background की बात हम कर रहे हैं, तो म्यूजिकल बैकग्राउंड ऐसा तो नहीं है सबका बैकग्राउंड एक ही होगा. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इंडिविजुअल ईच वन. ठीक है, तो हम इंडिविजुअल्स हर एक के सेंस की बात कर रहे हैं, सेंस के लिए बात कर रहे हैं. तो यहाँ पर हमने ऑर्केस्ट्रा के साथ वर लिया. तो दीज थिंग्स यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड. आई थिंक दिस इज क्लियर टू ऑल. देयर इज नो एनी डाउट. लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट मटेरियल नाउन. नाउ लेट्स सी अदर काइंड मटेरियल नाउन्स. ओके, material nouns are names of matter or substances of things are new things are made. Okay, इन materials का यूज हम करते हैं नई चीजों को बनाने के लिए, like wood, okay, plastic, gold, silver, so many things are there. Let's see. I can write here wood. Wood is also material noun. Why? Because wood का यूज हम करते हैं चीजों को बनाने के लिए, लाइक फर्नीचर, बेड, टेबल, चेयर, डेस्क, डोर, सो मेनी थिंग्स आर मेड अप ऑफ वुड. सो टेबल, चेयर, बेड, आई कैन राइट हियर फर्नीचर. ओके, फर्नीचर. फर्नीचर. ओके, सो वुड का यूज हम करते हैं टेबल, चेयर, बेड, फर्नीचर बनाने में. सो वुड यहाँ पर मटेरियल नाउन है अंटिल इट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू टेबल, चेयर, बेड और फर्नीचर. ठीक है, अब जब इसमें चेंज हो जाता है तो ये क्या बन जाता है, ये हमारा बन जाता है कॉमन नाउन. व्हाई? बिकॉज दीज आर वेरी कॉमन टू सी. सो दीज बिकम्स कॉमन नाउन. इन द सेम वे लेट मी राइट गोल्ड, गोल्ड और सिल्वर. So gold, silver, iron, copper, so many things are there, so many materials are there which are used to make new things. When they are in form of gold, only gold, okay, semi-liquid form, they are called material nouns. But when they are converted into jewelries, okay, necklace, ring, bangles, they become common noun. So gold से हम like ring, necklace, okay, jewelry, so many things. Okay, so gold यहाँ पर हमारा material noun है. But until gold is changed, converted into ring, necklace, bangles or jewelry, that time they become common noun. Okay, plastic भी हमारा material noun है. Plastic is also material noun. Why? Because plastics are used to make so many things. Okay, like toys, tub, bucket, okay, mug. So यहाँ पर प्लास्टिक क्या है? यहाँ पर प्लास्टिक मटेरियल नाउन है. Okay, until it is converted into toys, tub, bucket, mug. Okay, so यहाँ जब ये कन्वर्ट होता है इन चीजों में, ये क्या बन जाता है? ये हमारा बन जाता है कॉमन नाउन. बिकॉज toys, tub, bucket, mug, necklace, ring, these all are common nouns. Why? Because they are very common to see. Okay, ये एक ही होती नहीं है, बहुत सारी होती हैं. तो these are common noun, but हमें we don't have to get confused here. These are जब वो रॉ में होती है, रॉ मटेरियल्स होती हैं, that time they are material noun. और जब वो फाइनल प्रोडक्ट में चेंज हो जाती हैं, that time they become common noun. So इतना क्लियर हुआ? I think these four kinds are clear. One last kind is left, abstract noun. So abstract noun मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में लेकर आऊंगी. अगर आपको समझ में आ गया है, so thank you. और press the like button, subscribe and share. Thank you.